Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can format the numbers as percentage in Google Sheets. So here I have list of numbers, and to easily convert or change it into a percentage, you can just block or select the numbers that you want to change and then go directly to format in here. Tap on format, number, and here you'll see the percent format that you can select. You can tap on it, and just like that the numbers will be changed into percentage. If you want to remove the zeros or the decimals, you can just click on decrease decimal places like this, and it will be gone. And if you want to change the format for the upcoming cells, you can just block the blank cells in here, and again go to format, number, and choose percent. So when you type in numbers, it will automatically change into percent like this. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.